After I have my two images here, I need to make my answer key over here so that way I can tell people where the differences are, where the changes are. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to grab my text tool down here. If I right click the text tool, I'll see horizontal type and vertical type. I need to do vertical first, so click vertical. And then I'll draw a little box next to my image. And here I'm going to put the letters on the side, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's about right. I want to make sure that I have enough in here to fill up the space. I can change my font size up here. I can change my font typing. I can change the color right here with the color palette. So that looks pretty good right now. I'm going to go back to my text tool, right click it, horizontal. Now I need to do my bottom part here with numbers. So I'm going to fill this up. Do one, put a couple spaces so I can fill it up a little more. Well, all right, that's about good. Again, I want to make sure it's filled up enough. I don't want there to be a ton of space in between each one. So I can move this up a little bit with the arrow keys on my keyboard if I need to, with my move tool selected. All right, so now I've got my key. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my title. I'm going to go back to the text tool. I'm going to make sure I'm doing this on my background layer. Text tool, draw a box up top here. I'm going to give it some creative name. See you at the puzzle park. Now here I can adjust and change how that looks with this little create wrap text tool. Click that and change my style. I'm going to make mine look like flag. Actually, I'm going to make it look like a fish. There we go. Okay, I can move that with my move tool. Now I need to do a layer style, so make sure the layer is selected. So I got my layer selected. Go to layer, layer style, bevel and emboss. This is going to let you add some creativity to your letters. It's going to add a bevel and emboss, some shadow. You can do all sorts of different settings over here, play around with that, figure out what you want it to look like. I'm just going to keep it simple, so hit OK. So now my letter's got an emboss to it. So now I've got my title, I've got my key. Now I'm ready to start doing some edits.